I'm Bill, and I'm the mechanic that works on the car. It was Jerry's last full job. It was a complete frame-off restoration, and nothing was left untouched. The car is absolutely, the body's absolutely perfect. When you go over the car, you'll see that everything on it is in top-notch condition. It's perfect. The motor was in perfect condition, but it had old valves in it. So we took the head off, machined the head down, and we put titanium valves in it. We had the valves picked up in North Carolina. They were sent there to a race rebuilder in Sudbury, I think it was Sudbury. And then it came back to me to head block. When we got the head back, the head was like a piece of jewelry. It had the largest valves you could get. It had new seats, new guides, everything was done. It was just like a piece of jewelry. When we put it on the car and took it for a ride, it was incredible, the amount of extra power we had with this car. It's just the care and the time that's gone into it. The body work took 7 years and it was over $25,000. The head job took 6 months.